Ba chairman abameyiga na Shanju na Mukaga nibo batungire motoka ensya bona bakaba nibashabwa kuhereza imotoka enkuru baiza kutunga motoka ensya konka omukuru wa district ya Kabale Nshanga Bashija Nelson emotoka ensya kagitunga kandi enkuru akanga kujyayo konka ba kansara bamutarikire bambuza kasiona kahindu omurushitamo rwa kanso
ikintu cyo gusaza ushanga chairman wa district ayikoresa emotoka ibiri kandi izindi departments zitinatamba so nitushaka yembezi kandi yabireka n'umutima mubi kwenda kutwamuza kona ngo ashobore ahabwenje nabo yari mutishobora so kabembezi wa district ya Kabale cyatusasa ikintu cyoreka no kuribatira ubugaye bw'embezi kandi abantu bakwereza.
Mukuru w'abakozi bwa district ya Kabale Ronald Mutegeki nagera ngo akandi cya chairman no kwa yemotoka enkuru bitu natakagiretaga.
I would propose through you, Madam Speaker, that since the chairperson is here, you can communicate when he hand over that vehicle because he already has a new one and I think he's not using it too.
And my office was regarded as a scene of crime. It was a very disturbing moment as a new person in the district, but when I consulted the Minister of the Permanent Secretary, Minister of Local Government, first and foremost, my office had no record demonstrate that it was a scene of crime.
Omukwehozaho chairman Nshanga Bashija kwasira omuzindaro konkatine cyagambira Nshongeji. Speaker wa district ya Kabale Flavia Kanagizi ashoborire chairman no kureta motoka ejo butarengo rwo kubanza rwesande rkwija.
It's not out of your hands. It is in the hands of the council. The council who are the owners. They are saying that since he has another vehicle ready, by Monday, you should release that car to you and you plan accordingly.
Omurushitamo ndorumwe ba kansara borekero kwate ohabwe mcenjane ri hagati ya mukuru w'abakozi na mukuru wa district ya Kabale.
Nawe nabanisha ba councillors kugira ngo tumanye ubushunanizi bwa kanso tugereze kikizi nemara ba communication ya speaker yagamba ko abeho gucingo office ya Kawa so ngenda kumanya ubushunanizi bwa chairman ni bwo na ihanga he asiyenga
office ya Kawa ekachini twachurira amahurire cyazenga Uganda yona ndategateka n'insi yona ekachireba utobetwe mu committees batugira ngo bagaruke twahura twazima mukama bagira ngo wilisa kwit agree ngiye hati Madam Chair kabara bahandikiye barwa cyama natwe turetwa muzo mu kanso akaguma yebonaniye hata reconciliation yabazi iye erieka
Amakuru agasha kwa Nelson ahimbisibwe.